Hello YouTube, I am Eli the Fatigued. We're playing some more Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead. We're getting all our vehicles to the spots to get them back to our base. Just need to get the last wood. That's 30 volume. Seats only have like 25 volume. It's 26 liters exactly, and they only have 25. Fine. Oh, that heavy duty door is boasted. Okay. That sucks. We got, 3.4 liters. Should be enough to get us through everything. Wait, this is a different way than I've gone, but this will work. Alright, so this will be the first one I take through. Turn off the light so I don't drain the battery. Get the other Humvee. The main Humvee. Oh, hi. Goodbye. Oh yeah, and this has storage batteries, so it doesn't matter if I leave the lights on in this. But I'll try not to, nonetheless. Just because you can do something doesn't mean you should. Alright. Battering ram ready. I'm also going the wrong way for one. That's gonna suck. Oh, I got it, we're good. Hi, zombie. One moment. Is your face? Oh, a boulder. I was like, that zombie stopping me? But no, it was a boulder. But what? Void item contents. What item contents? Don't know what it's talking about, but okay. Oh ho! The slipping and sliding through the town. First off, I do need to get these stupid bikes out of the way. Since I can, I might as well do it. Electric scooter. What? Electric scooter. Oh yeah, fair enough. Yeah. No battery. Just trying to make the drive easier. If I can move any of these vehicles. Without the appropriate key. Fair enough. Pardon me. Oh, hi. Man, that Taurosaur had fun. Wait. Since when did dinosaurs get the destruction tag? Especially, herbivores. But okay. Okay, I tried to move the vehicle. Did not work. There we go. Moving some of the vehicles. Oh. I I think I got rid of the battery. What? It should start without the battery. Or it should be okay without the battery. Unless it... Okay, here's what will probably happen. The engine died because of the crash. The battery was lost, so therefore it could not start again. That's my thoughts on that. Oh, speaking of stuff, okay, that's fine. This is the one that really needs to get out of the way. No wheels. Oh, hi. Gotta stop messing around. What just happened? What the heck? Okay, it's fine. All weirdness aside, it's fine. Oh, it's starting to become daytime. Really been going that long now? Jeez. Been trying to get this mess going since, oh, so many days ago. Are you movable? You are movable. No, you have no wheels. I always forget about the wheels. Hey, a 5.7. I love a 5.7s. Riot armor. Hello. I forget which one's better, the riot armor or the SWAT armor, so for now we'll just wear it. Also, are you drivable? You're drivable. Wow. Wait, it's got a fault. Starter motor. Electromotor, drive belt, and fuel filter doesn't matter. Starter motor does. A small electric motor somewhere. Yeah, if I can just kill you guys one at a time, that'd be great. Okay. Hey, this ambulance is drivable. Just another vehicle for some more parts. Oh, lost both my mirrors, unfortunately. Good thing this is just a parts vehicle. The sturges scare me, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm pretty sure they can implant parasites in you. And that's horrifying. You jerks! Get out of my vehicle and... Goodness gracious. Just because you last saw me there doesn't mean you need to tear up my vehicle. At least you can still run. I know it's a parts vehicle, but that doesn't give him any right to destroy it. Stegosaurus zombie. Fun. I must have recently killed the, Stego. Also, apparently my inventory, I've got the folded bicycle. Crap. Alright, well they ran off, so that's good. Yeah, no, please. Drop the bike. See if we can't clear some more of the path. Moderately weary. Um, 7 hours should do. And I don't have my... I don't have my blindfold. But it looks like I should be okay for now. I can at least get rid of the weariness. And the tiredness. If I could do that in real life, that would be great. If I could just do that in real life just by sleeping, that would be awesome. Unfortunately, no. Oh wow, am I actually going to sleep despite it being bright out? Nice. Alright, happy about that. Let's go. Clear some more of these zombies out. Oh, hi. Okay. A lot of zombies. Thankfully, the ones that are right next to me are just crawling zombies. Anything useful? Ooh, jerky. Doubtful, but oh well. Might as well look. Also high. Yeah. I used a gun in town. It's fine. Alright. Unfortunately, this vehicle is not drivable. Doesn't even have any wheels on it. Not even broken wheels, it just doesn't have wheels. So, what about you, fire truck? You look like you're drivable. Got controls and everything. Wait, where are the controls? I thought I had controls, unless I'm just blind and dumb. Yeah, controls are front middle, but there's no seat, so I can't drive or something? Is that what we're doing now? I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's always been a thing, actually. Hey, get out of there. Bad zombie. Bad feral human. Alright. Give me your seat. Owie. You're a jerk. Nice. Another scrap vehicle. And we cleared the way even more. And we got all the firefighter gear inside of it. Definitely a clearer road now. Let's get this bike out of the way. Oh, good gravy gracious. That's a lot of zombies. Since when were there so many zombies there? Alright. You guys want to go. You guys want to go. Okay. I can tell you want to go. Come on. Stopped hampering myself. I could tell you wanted a good fight. Alright, YouTube, I need to end the episode here. Thank you for joining me. I've been Eli the Fatigued. Don't forget to like, comment, and/or subscribe if you have enjoyed any dimension of this episode. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.